Hey, Tuesday we have this unfit GE event thingy. They got information from a thing right there for free. I also don't know its fucking name. But I got this. All I had was the blades and the motor and the switch charging. It had switch charging and screws. It had no blade screws. It had blade brackets too, of course. But it had no blade screws and no mounting. So I just threw that download on it. Maybe I didn't worry, I can't find it. Because I don't care. Just a fucking test me. I have a campaign fitted. Probably. That's not professional. Because I really have to put it down on I had to fit. This thing was 50, so I cleaned the blade. It was saggy, it was, yeah, definitely worked. Looks so much better. Someone like that. It's done at best. And I use baby wipes, I know, bad. And guess what? How she clean shit? 30-40. 30-40 actually did really well. I forgot to try on this. I cannot get the marks off that yellow shit. So, yeah. But I pitched the blades a little more. Don't like the pitch. Right, both more. It's Mrs. Skinner Mulhouse humongous shit. And Dumbass is a little too small, but it still fit. Just screws me a little tight. But yeah, I cleaned it on, and the blades were bent out of whack. The blade brackets were. So I bent back best I could. So it was a good study. Blades almost flat before they blew it. But you know, I didn't blow too much. So I pitched them and it goes just as slightest bit, so not much all. And it goes more in, so it's good. It's still a decent amount too. So it's mostly pretty fast. So I pushed my ear like 80 fell from the working on me. Man, he cooked it because the mountain just moved. So yeah. Should I try this fucking on like on this? So both good. We're gonna be in free bastards. Yes, it does work in English. Don't ever show fancy English because I don't feel like it. I could just start some English sometime. No, this pizza. I don't fucking feel like doing all that bullshit. So all swallow this, not much. Really nice to think. So there's only one. Still good. For everyone that can actually almost exactly like the G-Vents in my great grandma's house. Almost in that kind of lot, but it's me. We'll go for how to speak. Almost was good to witness because the guy said he took some walnuts or switch charging. So I thought I had to figure out how it was switch charging. I don't quite know it yet, but luckily he just met the watch for like it. So I put When it's an energy, it's fine. Well, welcome back to Wall with go off. Good. Yeah, I feel like I freaking love these. I'm gonna do spin down. When my husband knows go turn some of this stuff off on display because if there's something that's going to be shown, I'm going to it's only 7 o'clock, but no good spoon one. I don't just fall asleep at 8 o'clock. I lay down in the bed on my phone for like 2 hours. So, you know, catch up on Alright guys, I'm back and sorry on the hard stuff for sorry if you're here for a while. So then hopefully during the videos on the Gmail I got free kind of fixed up. So good motherfucking bye, you fucking bitch is.